In the digital era, our lives revolve around data. From personal memories captured in photos and videos to crucial financial information, data forms the backbone of our digital existence. However, lurking in the vast expanses of the internet is a threat that targets this very foundation: ransomware. Often referred to as digital kidnappers, ransomware attacks involve hackers encrypting a user's data and demanding a ransom for its release. This form of cyber extortion has seen a dramatic rise, affecting individuals, corporations, and even government entities globally. Let's delve deep into understanding ransomware, its implications, and most importantly, how we can protect ourselves from these digital kidnappers. Ransomware operates by infiltrating systems through various methods, the most common being phishing emails that trick users into downloading malicious attachments or clicking on compromised links. Once executed, the ransomware encrypts files, making them inaccessible to the user. Victims are then confronted with a ransom note demanding payment, usually in cryptocurrencies due to their anonymous nature, in exchange for the decryption key. The sophistication of ransomware has evolved, with some variants capable of spreading across networks, encrypting entire systems in the process. The impact of ransomware extends beyond the immediate loss of access to data. For businesses, an attack can result in significant financial losses, reputational damage, and legal ramifications, especially if sensitive customer information is compromised. On a personal level, individuals could lose irreplaceable memories or critical documents, causing emotional distress and potential financial hardship. Protecting against ransomware requires a proactive and multifaceted approach. At the heart of defense is awareness. Knowing how ransomware operates enables individuals and organizations to recognize potential threats. Training and educating users to identify phishing attempts is a critical step. Simple indicators such as misspelled email addresses, urgent and unexpected requests, or links directing to unfamiliar websites are red flags. Implementing robust security measures forms the next layer of defense. This includes installing reputable antivirus and anti-malware software capable of detecting and blocking ransomware. However, as malware writers continually evolve their methods to bypass defenses, keeping software, operating systems, and applications up to date becomes equally important. Software updates often contain patches for security vulnerabilities that ransomware could exploit. Yet, even with the best preventive measures, the possibility of an attack can never be entirely ruled out. This is where the importance of regular, comprehensive backups comes into play. Backups should be treated as a last line of defense against ransomware.